Hello, teacher. Good afternoon. I am Elise. I'm favorite store when women's clothing. I visited this store because I love fashion and rose store. How much it is that item? That blouse costs 45,000 pesos. How that is blouse red is very beautiful. How much it is trousers? It is cost 80,000 pesos. It is elegant. How much is that item? Script. That script costs 20,000 pesos. How much this is Rex? This is Rex costs 100,000 pesos. How much are the shorts? The shorts cost 65,000 pesos. How much are those earrings? Those earrings cost 25,000 pesos. How much it is jacket? It is cost 90,000 pesos. How much it is that jacket? That jacket costs 65,000 pesos. Thank you, teacher. Goodbye.